have no idea where the hell I'm at. Oh, there's the game. Right here. Okay. It is taking forever to upload one little TikTok. It's cute though. Little cute dolphin. Anyways, I'm here with this beautiful C8. You're going to go ahead and start doing this installation pretty early. One of my earlier arrivals, which I've been wanting to for a long time. I'm glad I'm finally doing that. So this thing's gorgeous. So I'm going to go ahead and go ahead and tear this thing apart and get the doors installed. Okay. Well, I am leaving. I'm backing out of Ronnie's driveway right now. Lonnie's, not Ronnie, sorry. Backing out of backing out of Lonnie's. Wow. Driveway right now. One that you selected to do your car. You made it very clear that no one else was going to get that opportunity, which I appreciate. And that's how it should be. And I'm not saying that for any other reason other than I've seen my fair share of these cars getting messed up. And I wholeheartedly, from the bottom of my heart, do not like that. And it bothers me that there are those out there that are just hack jobbing this up and not doing the best. If you want to do good, that's fine, I guess that's your choice, but if you want the best, then you need the best. I'll let you decide who that is.